This is reflected in the lessons that teachers set of beliefs about education to shape the future of every student and to improve their learnings. We can connect educational philosophies by providing principles and approaches in our classroom, aligning strategies and philosophical beliefs that our students can learn about it. Okay, how philosophy influenced the teacher choice of strategies? As we can see, the teachers think the best way on how to teach her student by first analyzing the problem and understanding it, how it works, so that her student will conduct an experimentation and can give their feedback based on what they observe on the given scenario.
Okay, let's proceed. Reflect with philosophies, your values, or future teachers and why. We're here that student is the center of learning. I am a kind of teacher has given chance to the student to express their feelings, emotions, and truth with proper behavior. Based on what they are talking about, they can develop their framework that guide and support positive outcomes. I most prepared philosophy. Constructivism, they build knowledge through their experience. And in life, truth sharing to hear us meet. The connection and interaction can build in the other world. They become more progressive and competitive.
Okay, proceed to lesson 7. Ethics and values in education. What ethical issues are present in the scenarios? Bravery and integrity. A parent offering a gift for a higher grade compromises in fairness. Honesty and discipline. Hunting a student co-cheating test how the teacher upholds academic honesty.
Okay, which code of ethics for professional teachers standard apply? Living with dignity keep us consistent in all aspects of our lives. It is very important to us as a future teacher we, that to be fair, making decision and action in life. Having with dignity, we are responsible and honest to our principal because we stand as a good example to our students and also to the community. Fairness and equal treatment to everyone is the only thing that we can hold to ourselves.